Hello everybody, military style watch, VICTORINOX Swiss Army. Okay, let's do it. Book. We have a book of nice quality and the card empty. No manufacturer warranty for this watch. It's very sad. If you're ready, let's do it. 1, 2, 3. Oh, nice military dial. Oh, heavy. Maybe 130 grams. Good. It's very simple. Maybe a little bit zoomed, right? Wednesday. So guys, today we have a VICTORINOX Swiss Army men's watch. Classic infantry vintage. Yes. Retail price 675. It's not so crazy price. It's just, expensive, but not so crazy. Best online store price about maybe $200. It's good discount, maybe 70 something % off. Movement. Watch has Swiss quartz movement, made in Switzerland. It's cool. Case size 44 millimeters without crown, 50 millimeters between lugs, and 12 millimeters thickness. Water resistant 100 meters, 330 feet. Like you see, stainless steel, polished and brushed. Looks very nice. Watch has a sapphire scratch resistant crystal. Cool. Screw down closet case back. Looks very simple. Stainless steel bracelet. It's 22 millimeters button lugs and 8 millimeters length. Fold over clasp with a safety flap. You never lose this watch. Crown. Pull, push crown. You see first position, change numbers, and second, adjust time. VICTORINOX Swiss Army. Olive green color and the silver tone hands luminescent and numbers. I wanna turn off light and we can see something interesting perhaps. 1, 2, 3. Oh, bright. Cool. Not so crazy bright, but you can see everything, all numbers and hands. It's okay. Solid stainless steel bracelet. Let me try this watch. First this, then here. Many plastic around. About size, you see 1, 2, perhaps, yes, 3 finger, very simple, and my wrist 7-inch. It means this watch fit for 8-inch wrist. Good looking watch. What about, wait, we can check this out. Ready? Yes. 160. When you wear this watch, you always can feel it. 160 grams. So I think it's very interesting watch. VICTORINOX Swiss Army Infantry. It's very sleek, you see? Not any corners. So, thank you for watching our review. And if you wanna buy this watch, click link under this video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Visit our website iReviewWatches.com for more reviews and some hot deals. And that's it. See you next time. Thank you and bye bye.